And the second type is anti-aromatic compound. In this, if you observe if the pi electron may be present, this is cyclic and conjugated system also present, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, and total planar compound. And if you observe the pi electron here 2 and total 1 and plus 1 total 2 pi electron, but 1 pi bond means total 2 electron, then total 4 pi electron. Anti-aromatic means if you observe here 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 pi electron is there, mean that is anti-aromatic. If you observe the second compound, this is also cyclic and conjugated system. Here this is one lone pair and here one pi bond. This conjugated total 4 pi electron. That's why this is also anti-aromatic. If you observe here, this is conjugated system, pi bond, and here carbocation is total conjugated system, and total 2 pi bond. Here no any pair of electron. That's why here also 4 pi electron. That's why it is also aromatic. If you come to the next compound, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 2, total 8 pi electron. It is cyclic and conjugated system and planar structure. That's why it is 8 pi electron. That's why it is anti-aromatic. And all are, now I am discussing about anti-aromatic compound, and all these are anti-aromatic compound example. If you come to the next example here, this is 7-member ring, 1, 2, 3, and this lone pair, total 2 electron, 2 electron, 2 electron, total 6, and this 2, total 8 pi electron. That's why it is also anti-aromatic compound. If you come to the third type, that is non-aromatic compound. Here in aromatic and anti-aromatic compound, any one of the rule is not obeyed, then that should be considered as a non-aromatic compound. It is a cyclic, but there is no conjugation because this carbon is sp3. Then it, based on the sp3 carbon, it lost its planarity, so it is not a planar molecule. That's why it is non-aromatic compound. Next, here also all are sp3 hybridization, carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, all are sp3 hybridization. That's why it is also non-aromatic. Here there is no any 4 pi electrons or 4n plus 2 pi electron rule not followed. That's why it is non-aromatic compound. If you come to this one, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, here positive charge, it is conjugation, but 2 pi electron, this nitron is sp3, so it lost its planarity. That's why it is non-aromatic compound. Here looking like the 4 pi electron, but here this nitron is lost planarity because this nitron is sp3 hybridized. That's why this is non-aromatic compound. If you come to this compound, here also this carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon, because already I told you the last class in that single bond mean sp3, double bond mean sp2, triple bond mean sp, carbon double bond that is also sp. So this carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon. If you come to this one, it is total cyclic and conjugated also, but if you count the pi electron 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is also one lone pair, total 5 into 2, total 10 pi electron. It is not come into this category because here 4, 8 and 12. Then immediately what we will consider, this is aromatic, but it is not aromatic. Why? Reason is here hydrogens are present. These hydrogens repulsion, that's why due to this hydrogen molecular repulsion, this is interhydrogen repulsion. That's why this molecule lost planarity. So totally this molecule is not aromatic. It is non-aromatic compound. It has 10 pi electrons, but also this is non-aromatic. If you come to this molecule, total cyclic compound conjugated and planar look like planar, but actually it is not a planar molecule, because here 1 2 3 4 4 into 2 8 pi electrons. 8 pi electron mean what will think we are accepting that anti-aromatic compound, but it is not anti-aromatic compound because it having the tub shape. How it is a tub shape? This is a tub shape, like this tub shape. Here this is a pi bond, here also pi bond, this is pi bond. So due to this tub shape, it lost its planarity. So due to non-planar molecule, this is a non-aromatic compound. Overlapping of p orbital do not form a cyclic ring, because here one carbon, here one carbon. It is a long bond. The overlapping between the p orbital will be very less. That's why due to this tub shape, it is non-aromatic compound. If you come to this compound, here 1 2 3 and double bond, single bond, conjugation is missing. So total it is non-aromatic, because cyclic system is there but conjugation is missing. That's why it is non-aromatic compound. So I explained the total three types of compound in that: aromatic, anti-aromatic, non-aromatic compound. Based on that I am giving the few questions, how much you understand. So just you have to revise your concept. That purpose only I am giving here. Nearly these two questions are there. One, question number 1, in that A, find aromatic compound in the following. In DNA, adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Similarly, in RNA, uracil. Why I am not giving the adenine, guanine, cytosine? These are also present in the RNA. So, uracil, thymine, cytosine, guanine, adenine. These are aromatic or anti-aromatic or non-aromatic. You have to find. And another question here in same, it is B. This is one compound. Second, third, this B3N3H6. It is also known as inorganic benzene or borazine or borazole. So 1, 2, 3, 4 compound. These are also in this any one of the type or not. You have to just find out aromatic, anti-aromatic, non-aromatic. Similarly, one more very important question. This question is asked in IAS exam. So based on aromaticity only, that question is, which is the most acidic in this following hydrocarbon? 1 2 3 4. Find the most acidic and give the explanation why any one of the compound is more acidic. Thank you very much.